Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to offer free shipping on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log into your Shopify account and click on settings and click on shipping and delivery, and here we can see general shipping rates. So click on manage rates, and as you can see, my shipping rate right now 200, and here we can see same. And to offer free shipping, click on this three dot, edit rate, and delete the amount, and now here you can see it's free. Then click on done. The same way, click on this three dot, edit rate, and remove the amount, and now it's free. Then click on done. So this is how we can offer free shipping on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.